Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss on how to use the Wix Owner app. So first thing that we should do is to download the application in our Play Store, and once the application is downloaded, you just have to open it, okay? So this is how it looks. So once you open the application, of course, you have to turn on your mobile data or your Wi-Fi or internet connection. Then once you're here, if you don't have an account already, so you just have to click on get started. And since I already have my Wix account, I'm just going to click on this one, and I am going to continue with Google. And if you have a Facebook, then you can continue with your Facebook account. Okay, and then you'd be directed to your dashboard or to your homepage. Okay, so right here you would be able to see your analytics. Okay, so and of course, when you scroll down, you have here your upcoming sessions. So for the analytics, all of the details are here. Okay, and then you have your contacts, your payments, pay links, invoices, price codes. You have here your proposals as well, and then your subscriptions, forms of activity, and then your media storage. Okay, and then you have here push notifications, and then for the you can also manage your widgets. Okay, and you have here your tasks and reminders as well. So first is we are going to discuss the activity section. So just have to click on this activity option. Okay, so this one, and then once you have updates, you'll see them here. Okay, so since we don't have recent activity, so this section is empty. Okay, so next one is the inbox. So I'm just going to, leave the ad section for later. So let's discuss the inbox section first. So right here, you'd be able to see all of your messages. Okay, so since this account is not really active, so I don't have any messages. And if you are looking for your archive messages, then just have to click on this one, and you'd be able to see here all of your messages. And if you would like to search for a specific message, say for example, you've got a lot of message and you are finding the one that you need, and you just have to search for it. So just use the search bar at the top. And if you'd like to compose or create a new message or conversation, so just click on this pencil icon, this one at the top right hand corner of your screen. And then after that, you just have to select your contact, and you can start messaging your customers. Okay, so next one is we are going to discuss the manage section. Okay, so this is how it looks when you are going to create a new conversation. So let's proceed to the manage section. So when you click on it, you'd be able to see these different options. So right here at the top right, you have your notifications. So when you click on this icon, you'd be able to see here all of your notifications. But since I don't have any notifications yet, I can't see them here. Okay, so now let's go to the site and app. So right here you have your website, and of course you can share this URL or you can simply view this one. So if you would like to edit your website, you can edit it using your mobile phone, but you can go ahead and open your Wix account on your desktop. Okay, and you also have your spaces by Wix. So if you would like to customize this one or invite members, then you can do that as well. And if you would like to get more engagement on your site, then just have to click on this get your site discovered. You can also offer coupons, share a social post. So first one is if you would like to, let people discover your site on the Spaces by Wix apps with different features. So you just have to do that. Now, if you would like to offer coupons, then just have to click on this one. And if you would like to share a social post, then just have to create one. Next is the booking calendar. Getting paid first. So right here, you just have to set up your pay links, manage invoices, price codes and proposals, and of course the point of sales. You just have to explore these settings. Now for the booking calendar, of course, this is one of the very important things here in Wix. So right here, you'd be able to see all of your upcoming sessions. So you have nothing planned for the upcoming month. So if you would like to add one, then just click on add sessions. Right here is your work schedule. So if you have plans and you have set up your schedule, then you'll be able to see that over here. And then your services as well, and then your staff. Okay, and then when you go to the settings section, you'll be able to see here your default hours, booking policies, collect tips, and then customize display. Okay, so next one is so just have to explore the settings one by one, okay? And for the rest of the settings, so just have to click on it and just read the instructions, okay? So now let us proceed to the ad section. So when you click on this one, you have here your session, service, invoice, pay link, announcement, price code. You also have your marketing tools. Okay, so let's discuss first here the add coupon, okay? So when you click on this add a coupon, so you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and right here you can offer a fixed price discount or offer a discount as a percent. So let's proceed to the first one. Okay, so right here you can set the amount in peso that will be taken off the price. So say for example, 500 peso. And then just have to click on next, this one at the top right of our screen, and then just have to create a name for your coupon code. So say for example, summer 2024, and then you'll be able to see here your coupon name. And what you're going to do next is simply click on next, and right here you can apply coupon to minimum order subtotal, all services, or a specific service. So for this one, I'm going to choose the minimum order subtotal. So you just have to enter the minimum order subtotal right here. So for example, 500 peso. Then of course you have to choose the dates you want this coupon to be valid. So right here for the valid from, just have to set the date. So for example, today is July 19. Just have to click on it. And then for the end date, you just have to click on it and you'll be able to see here the range of the validity of this coupon. And for the usage limits, you have your limit number of total uses. So if you would like to enable this one, just click on the switch and then just click on done after that. Now your coupon was created, so you just have to share it on your social. You can share it today or not now. Okay, you just have to save it for later. And the next one, if you would like to create a social post, okay, so you just have to click on the add button once again and then create a social post. So right here, you've got different templates that you're gonna actually use for your post. Okay, so just click on create a new post. And then once you start creating your post, you'll see them here. Okay, so for the next one, if you would like to create an email campaign, so you just have to click on this one, and then you'd be able to pick a template to get started. So you can edit this template and then you can view your campaigns. Okay, so the last one is your profile. So this one is the top left hand corner of your screen. So when you click on this one, you'll be able to see your app settings as well as the help and feedback section. So when you click on manage account settings, you'll be able to see here basic information, logged in info, two-step verification, and then the delete your account section. So when you go to the basic information, you can edit your name and change your profile picture. So right here, your first name, your last name as well. So if you would like to make any changes, you just have to do it and then just click on the save button on the top right hand corner of your screen. And if you would like to upload your new profile picture, then you just have to click on this camera icon, this one at the center. Okay, so after that, you just have to save all of your changes, and that is the overview on how you can use the Wix Owner app. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.